me for 2 more seconds?
2 more seconds?
Yeah.
What else?
Let me get ice cream.
What wrong with you, dude? Can we treat you like a dude?
What else?
What you mean, what else? Everything else, salt and pepper, common sense. You an idiot? You better get better at your customer service. For real. You don't know what the fuck you think you living in. This is 2020.
Yeah,
No, you don't know. You honestly don't know. You didn't do no customer service, didn't check on nobody. You're handling one fucking order at a time. Like, it's not common sense to you? Are you stupid? Slap the shit out you if you touch me. And your man.
Can I
So go
please have
ahead,
a 6
get my
foot?
face. My name is Blue Hundreds. You can Google me. I would slap the shit out this lady if she touches me again.
Excuse me,
So is the
I'm
problem
trying
done?
to... There's no
You want to
problem.
act like a man, right? I'm here. What's up?
Charming.
My name is Blue Hundreds. You can Google me.
I hate to give these kind of people the benefit of the doubt, but we don't know what kind of day he's having, and no one goes to Subway because they're having a great day, to be fair.
You better get better at your customer service.
I feel like he's just trying to be white now. Like, I always kind of got offended when black people would talk about cultural appropriation when white people try to rap or whatever. But right now, I feel like I understand how they feel. He's definitely infringing on my turf right now. You think this is how you yell at a manager? You don't even know how to yell at a manager.